Can we talk about pain for a second? You know what hurt? It hurts when you realize everything you went through was not their fault. Everything you went through was of your own choosing. I put you on that pedestal you fell from. That was my fault. See, my problem is I tend to believe people in their word. My problem is I expect the best out of people. You know the saying, treat people the way you want to be treated. I don't know why the fuck I thought they meant that in kindergarten. I don't know why I thought they meant that. So much so that these expectations become my future plans. And I mistakenly put those future plans before my own. That's my fault. You didn't even respect me in fucking reality, in real time. All the lies, all the putting other people before me, the gaslighting, oh my God, the gaslighting. Making me think I was fucking crazy? That was my fault. You see, what hurt is none of that. What hurts is simply the fact that I never expected it to be you.